Now, the argument over FDA authorization versus approval of vaccines is one factor some believe is part of the issue surrounding hesitancy. Fox 43's Madeline Cuddy here now with a breakdown of just what an FDA approval means in terms of vaccine safety.
Well, Evan, it is an important distinction, authorization versus approval. However, health experts say data from multiple studies here and overseas show the vaccines are highly effective, safe, and expect to get full approval, meaning it's risky to wait to get vaccinated as the Delta variant continues to spread. So let's break the two differences down. Right now, all three COVID vaccines being given in the U.S. have received emergency use authorization. Pfizer and Moderna have both applied for full approval. That means they were proven safe and effective in an expedited real-world process. There's no need to wait. And as a review process, the agency needs 6 months worth of data for full approval. Now, Pfizer was approved for emergency use in December and then filed for full approval in May. Moderna, also approved in December, applied for full approval in June. Now, Johnson & Johnson, they have been given the green light in February, but they have not applied for full approval yet. Now, as for health experts, Dr. David Priest says he believes an approval from the FDA will boost vaccination efforts.
I'm hopeful that a couple of things. Well, one thing will drive more vaccine, and that is full FDA approval. So we're hopeful that the FDA will, in late July, early August, fully approve the Pfizer product and then move to the other products. I think there is a segment of the population who's unvaccinated that's waiting for that full FDA approval. So I'm hopeful when that happens, some more people will get vaccinated.
Now, the FDA does not have a timeline for how long it takes to become fully approved after a company submits its research.
So you've been keeping a close eye on this. Do we know why at this point the FDA has not given full approval?
Well, there's no answer from the FDA yet. However, many health experts believe that the FDA could be waiting on data on the vaccine on how it affects people who are immunocompromised. Regardless, Johns Hopkins University, their medical experts say time is of the essence right now. The Delta variant is out there, so the longer people wait to get those vaccines, the higher chance of community spread and the higher chance of some of those new variants.
We'll see how time plays out as it moves forward. All right, Madeline, thank you very much. And if you still have questions about the various vaccines, where you can still make an appointment, or just general information about COVID-19, head to fox43.com.